Let's detect and handle swipe in Visual Scripting today. It will work for any inputs, mouse, phone, gamepad, console. At the start, we have a character with tag player. Let's write a script to contain Visual Scripting events. Name it Events, then click Save. Right-click, create a custom event. Name it Touch Enter for input. Ctrl D to duplicate and name it Touch Exit for the input release. You can add any inputs. It will work for mouse, phone, gamepad. I will use mouse input here. We will store mouse position in our custom events. Then call them with same name custom events. Next, create some graph variables to store input position. Name it Touch Position Enter and Touch Position Exit. Set their values from input. And a variable to store the current time of input. Store time to variable touch time in. Another variable to limit the time of a swipe touch. Set its value 0.3 or any number you like. If time between touch in and out smaller than time limit, then count it as a swipe touch. Create a custom event to do something if it's a swipe. We're going to compare touch enter and exit positions. If touch exit is on right of touch enter, it's a swipe to right. Normalize will convert it into values among -1 and 1. Then get X to compare horizontal axis only for left or right. If it is greater than 0, touch axis is on the right of touch enter. We now a message swipe to right. If it is less than 0, touch axis is on the left of touch enter. Now let's try to swipe it. To move character to left or right, I will use Visual Scripting Plus. You can get it with a link under this video. We will use macro touch to detect touch from phones, and macro character to move an object. Open Use Touch to get event to use. Let's copy and use events touch begin and touch end. Replace mouse inputs with these touch inputs. It works for touch on phones and mouse on PC too. To use macro character, step 1. Copy macro character to player. Step 2. Open Use Character to get events to you. We will use event Move to Position to move an object. Copy Move to Velocity event. Step 3. Paste it here and edit its variable. Before to do that, let's call a custom event after swipe. If it's a swipe to right, move player to the right. Name it Move Player. Use this to move player to left or right. Create a variable to tell if player will move to left or right. I will name variable is distance and set this value to true. Add variable distance to our events. If it's a swipe to left, distance will be distance multiplied by -1. That's why we need another variable to adjust this distance value. Create a float variable and name it move distance. If swipe to right, its value will be distance value. And replace variable of event move player with move distance. If swipe to left, its value will be distance multiplied by -1. Now, let's handle events to move player after a swipe. Object is an object calling this event our player. Make sure you edit tab player to your main character. Checkbox Stop at Arrival to stop its movement at destination. To Position is the destination of character movement. Player will move left or right. We will change X value only. Keep Y and Z values. Position X will be current position plus move distance. Let's play to see how it works. To control the speed, to make it move faster, create an object variable with name moveSpeed. Set its value to true to make player move faster. It's time to plug in your phones and try it. Now enjoy it on your phones. Please like and subscribe my channel to get more tutorials. Thank you for watching.